everyone, you're watching the Savera and I'm Pavan Kaur. Today with me I have a very special 15 years old girl who has a passion for environment saving. So with me I have Viviana Shekhar who has an NGO for the NGO that she works for, that we can call it a baby for her because this is the NGO that she has done a lot of work, and the NGO is called Bin the Waste. So what is this NGO? How does this NGO works, and what was the reason behind starting the NGO? We'll have a word regarding the same with Viviana herself. She's present with us, and right now we're standing at Dadu Majra where she is launching a campaign. Viviana, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Viviana, first of all, I want to know what is Bin the Waste, this NGO, or you call it your passion project. What is it about?
Actually, the name is kind of incorrect now, but initially I had started this last year in June as a way to mitigate the amount of plastic which is around everywhere. I noticed that wherever you go, it's dirty. Even this nice park which we're standing in, it's still dirty if you look. It's cluttered with plastic. So my idea was that we could find a way to get rid of all this plastic by disposing it. But that did not work because it was not a permanent solution. So the area just got dirty right after we cleaned it. So the next step for me was basically to just find a way to tell people that it's wrong to litter these places so that we can mitigate it and stop it from getting dirty.
You started it last year. How is the project going on? What kind of response are you getting out there from the public?
So far it's going well. I'd like to go much bigger. We've already done something similar to this a few months ago in May, but we're getting a good response from people as well.
So what about today's activity? What are we doing here? We can see that people are bringing the old plastic and you are just changing it with the new.
Yes.
So what is the concept behind the same? And why you chose this particular place? I would really like to know about that particular thing.
Plastic, as we know, is not degradable. It takes millions of years just to degrade, and which is not part of the human lifespan. So plastic does have a lot of uses nowadays. So the next best thing is basically to somehow recycle this plastic. There's specialized companies which will take care of this. So what we have done is that this plastic, which is kind of unusable on the streets, which is broken, which is in people's houses, we take it and then we will give it to the company for them. This company will segregate it and use it accordingly. For the amount of plastic which they bring us, we will give them a bucket, a mug, or a dustbin in exchange.
So how big you want Bin the Waste to be? Because, and I would really love what inspired you actually, because you're a 15-year-old kid who is studying right now in 11th standard. What all inspires you basically?
What inspired me initially is basically whenever I went out anywhere, plastic, garbage, chip packets, everywhere, wherever you go. It's unescapable, it looks horrible, someone needs to fix it.
So how is the response that you're getting out from the public out there?
So far it's a good response. Whatever we've done so far, people have always shown interest in it, and they have themselves promised that they would be better about this and make a conscious effort to dispose plastic waste.
Okay, and so I would really, any message that you would like to give out to the youth out there, because we see that there is a lot of things that go around plastic, and we make so many campaigns for the cleanliness drives, be it like the plastic campaigns. What message would you like to give especially to the youth out there, because they are the one who are going to shape the future?
Yes, I'd say we learn all of these things in school. I'm sure that every kid here knows that plastic is bad for the environment. Tell your parents. They often do not listen. Tell them specifically that you should throw garbage in the bin properly.
So how hard it has been, because we know that it is not an easy task to start something like this. We say that cleanliness starts at home, but when we see in our surroundings only, there is so much of dirt, there is so much of plastic, and as you mentioned that there is garbage everywhere. So what do you think that there should be any particular initiatives that should take care of these things?
Initiatives such as like this?
Yes.
Yeah, I think that it's a very easy thing to just dispose of your trash properly, but it takes some effort to make that conscious effort to do it. So that's what I encourage.
Thank you so much, Viviana, and we wish you all the best for the future endeavors. So this was Viviana Shekhar. She's 15 years old with the NGO Win the Waste, and she is shooting for the stars. And what she's saying that she wants to take it to the further heights, and she wants to create an awareness for the cleanliness. With Happy, this is Pavit Kaur for the Sabera.